Iran has reached a deal to buy advanced su-35 fighter plane from Russia. Iran expanding a relationship that has seemed Iran built a drone used in Russia's war on Ukraine. The Sukhoi-35 fighter planes are technically acceptable for Iran. Sukhoi-35 price around $43 million, a multi-role fighter plane with one crew, length 21.9 meter, wingspan 15.3 meter, height 5.9 meter, weight 18.4 ton, weight maximum takeoff 34.5 ton, maximum speed 2390 km per hour. Armament: cannon 1 into 30 mm cannon with 115 round of ammunition, missile R-27, R-30, 73 air-to-air missile, and bombs.